In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a real AI agent, one that works seamlessly to solve real-world problems. You'll see how I leveraged automation and AI to create a system that improves customer experience, saves time, and helps my business run smoothly. I'm the founder of SumoBundle.com, a leading platform with a vast collection of digital products and a growing customer base. But as our business has grown, we've faced a common challenge: emails not reaching our customers' inboxes after they bought a product. Sometimes it's because of typos during checkout or incorrect email addresses. This leads to frustrated customers reaching out because they haven't received the download links for the products they've paid for. That's when I realized it was time to create a solution, an AI-powered agent to handle these issues automatically. First, we'll start by creating a Chrome extension. This extension will allow us to send selected text directly to a webhook in N8N. The idea is simple. We highlight a piece of text, like a customer's message or request, and the extension will process it for us. To do this effectively, we'll craft a detailed prompt for ChatGPT. A good prompt is key to getting the right results quickly. It will generate all the necessary code for the Chrome extension. Before you ask ChatGPT to generate the code for your extension, you need to go to N8N and create a workflow. Start by adding the first module with a webhook and make sure to grab the webhook URL. This URL is crucial because you'll need it to link the extension to N8N. Once you have the webhook URL, then you can proceed to ChatGPT. It will generate all the necessary code for your Chrome extension, including files like manifest.json, background.js, and content.js. Create the files, copy the code from ChatGPT, and paste it into your text editor. Be sure to save all the files in the same folder. After that, you can load the extension into Chrome. Once we have our extension built, we'll integrate it with N8N. This is where the magic happens, as we use automation and AI to streamline the process. However, if you'd like to skip over this step and save time, you're welcome to join the Automation Tribe community. The link is in the video description. Once you join, you'll be able to download the extension I've already created, along with the N8N workflow that powers the automation. And that's not all. You'll also find many other automations designed for platforms like Make.com, which are incredibly valuable for your business. These resources are made to save you time, streamline your processes, and help you scale efficiently. So, if that sounds interesting, make sure to check it out. Now, let's quickly go over how to install the Chrome extension. It's a simple process that won't take long. First, open Chrome and type Chrome//extensions into the address bar, or click on Manage Extensions. Enable developer mode by toggling the switch in the top right corner. Next, click on Load Unpacked and select the folder where you've saved your extension files. Once loaded, you'll see your extension appear in the list. You can also pin it to the toolbar by clicking the puzzle icon in the top right corner of Chrome and selecting your extension. Now that we've set up the webhook and created the extension, let's see it in action. Once you've installed the extension, open Gmail and select some text. As an example for this tutorial, I sent myself an email that I will use later. This will help demonstrate how the extension processes the text, sends it to N8N, and triggers the automation. The extension's floating button should appear near your selection, ready to send the data to our webhook. Now, I'll continue setting up the workflow in N8N and walk you through the process once again. First, log into your N8N account and navigate to the dashboard. Click on Create Workflow to start a new workflow. Once you're in the workflow editor, search for the webhook node in the left-hand panel and drag it into your canvas. Instead of creating a new workflow, I'll show you the existing automation I've set up. I'll keep this tutorial as short as possible to get you up and running quickly. In the webhook settings, you'll see a few key fields. Make sure the HTTP method is set to POST. The system will automatically generate a unique URL, like the one you see on the screen. This URL is what your Chrome extension will use to send data to N8N. For now, copy the test URL. Next, leave the authentication set to none, as we don't need additional security for this tutorial. Under the Respond section, select Using Respond to Webhook node. This will ensure N8N can send data back to the Chrome extension once the workflow is processed. Once you've configured these settings, click Listen for Test Event at the top of the panel. This will make the webhook ready to receive a test request. Don't worry, I'll show you how to test this later in the tutorial. For now, just make sure the webhook is properly set up and ready to go, and that's it for the webhook setup. Let's move on to connecting it with the rest of the workflow. Now let's configure the AI agent node in N8N, which is responsible for processing the text sent by our Chrome extension and generating the appropriate response. In the agent field, we've selected Tools Agent to handle our automation tasks. This is where the AI logic will run. Under Prompt Source, we've chosen Define Below, allowing us to customize the input the agent receives. In the text field, we're passing the content from the webhook using this expression you see on the screen. This ensures that the text sent from the Chrome extension is passed directly to the AI agent for processing. Next, in the System Message section, we've crafted a detailed instruction for the AI. This message sets the context for the AI agent, telling it exactly what to do. For example, it instructs the agent to read customer purchase data, extract the correct download link, and compose a professional, personalized email that includes the download link for the purchased product. Here's the prompt I used for the AI agent in N8N. It guides the agent on how to process the data and format the response. Pause the video to copy it. If you want, you can also modify the prompt to suit your specific needs. Just make sure it includes all the necessary details, as this will ensure the AI produces the correct and clean output every time. In this step, we need to connect an LLM to our AI agent. For this example, I'll be using OpenAI. Connecting the LLM is a straightforward process, so I won't go into too much detail here. You simply need to generate an API key from your OpenAI account and use it to create a connection in N8N. Once the connection is set up, you can select the model you want to use. In this case, I've chosen GPT-4o Mini. This will allow the AI agent to process the input data and provide intelligent, context-aware responses. The next step is to connect a Google Sheet to our workflow. In my case, I have a very large sheet containing all the products and their corresponding download links. Normally, when someone contacts me asking for a download link, I would manually search through the sheet to find the right one. For this tutorial, I created a new sheet, but trust me that my normal table has over 800 records. But with automation, we can save a lot of time by letting N8N handle this for us. On the screen, you can see a demo of how the Google Sheets node is configured. I've connected my Google Sheets account and selected the sheet that contains the product and download link data, which allows us to retrieve the specific information we need based on the user's request. This step ensures the workflow can access the correct download link automatically, without me having to search for it manually. The final step before testing how this AI agent works is to create a new module, the Respond to Webhook node. This is where we send the output of the AI agent back to the webhook, completing the automation. In this module, we set the Respond with parameter to text, ensuring that the response is sent as plain text. Next, in the response body, we use the expression you see on the screen. This dynamically pulls the output generated by the AI agent or previous nodes and sends it back to the Chrome extension through the webhook. It's important to verify that the webhook node's respond parameter is set to Using Respond to Webhook node, as this ensures the workflow knows where and how to send the response. With this setup complete, the workflow is now ready to process requests and return accurate dynamic responses. Let's see how this all works together in action. Now, let me show you how the AI agent works in practice. Let's say I received an email from a client who can't find their download link. I go through the email, select the text, and as soon as I do, you'll notice a button appears. Send to email AI agent. Once I click the button, the automation takes over. The selected text is sent to N8N, where the AI agent handles it. It searches for the specific product mentioned in the email, finds the corresponding download link, and automatically generates a professionally crafted email containing the link. This whole process saves me a lot of time, eliminating the need to manually search for the product or respond to each request individually. Instead, the AI takes care of everything, allowing me to focus on other important tasks. Now, let me show you another cool feature. Let's assume we have another client who bought 2 products. They send me an email listing both products they've purchased. I'll select the email, hit the button again, and let's see what happens. It only takes a few seconds, and the AI agent goes to work. It processes both products, extracts the corresponding download links, and generates a perfect email with both links included. All of this happens automatically. Isn't it amazing? This level of automation makes handling customer requests so much easier, saving time while ensuring a smooth, professional response every time. Of course, the beauty of this AI agent is that you can add even more tools to enhance its functionality. For example, you can integrate a vector database to allow the AI to search and retrieve even more sophisticated data based on user queries. You can also integrate Airtable to store customer data, orders, and product information in a structured, easily accessible way. With Airtable, the AI can dynamically retrieve any necessary information for more personalized and accurate responses. And if that wasn't enough, you can even connect the AI to an external database for even more robust capabilities. Whether it's customer data, product catalogs, or even custom business workflows, the possibilities are endless. All you have to do is to connect more tools and modify the prompt in the AI agent. If you found this automation helpful and exciting, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. If you want to take it a step further and join a community of like-minded individuals, feel free to visit Automation Tribe. The link is in the description. Also, if you have a unique idea for an automation that no one else seems to be able to create, drop it in the comments below. Who knows? I might just create it for you in a future video. Thanks for watching.